everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did a pickle recipe for it. I call it BBQ Pickles because it goes really well with barbecue, especially pulled pork. Throw it on maybe a sandwich or just have it on the side to eat. Also, it goes good if you chop it up even more than what it is and use it as a relish for maybe hot dogs. It goes really well with that as well. But it's mainly just cucumbers, onions, peppers, and then you just chop them up, and then you'll make your pickling liquid to pour over it. And these are just refrigerator pickles, and when you do your pickling liquid as well, after you make it, you cool it to pour over to put it in the fridge. They'll stay about 3 weeks. But it's pretty simple and straightforward recipe. It's mainly just taking the time to chop the vegetables. That takes the longest. But anyways, I love y'all. I'll catch you on the next one.